We're having lunch at Via Napoli, and here's the menu. We're most likely going to get fried calamari for an appetizer, and the margarita pizza here. Chef's kiss. Are you going to get dessert?
No. You have
And they have
cannoli.
specials. Fettuccine Via Napoli. Fettuccine pasta and a Parmesan cream sauce, add chicken or shrimp, 28 bucks. That sounds good.
It does.
But I want pizza.
I'd rather have the pizza.
TBT when the servers here were from Italy. Our servers from Philly. I miss the cultural program.
Italia.
I'm hoping they bring it back. I don't know when though. The best part of Epcot, in my opinion, was that the World Showcase had people from the actual countries working at the pavilions. I miss it. One day, one day.
Oh, that looks good.
That looks super good. Holy smoke.
Smokes.
Bone apple what?
Tea, baby girl, tea.
How do you have room for dessert?
Because dessert doesn't go to your stomach, it goes to your heart.
The rain has stopped.
Update.
The rain has stopped. So now we're in the American Adventure. Yay! We're gonna go see Voices of Liberty. Next show's at 3:45.
Get me. I'm the most important one.
A recap of today so far. We attempted to get here for rope drop. Failed.
Not really. We were here for rope drop. We were scanned in before the rope dropped.
But then like they had no signs as to where like early entry was, so we were like hanging around.
It was done very poorly.
And then we saw the signs like all the way on the side, and we were like, oh. And then she scanned us, and then
The park's
rope.
open!
Yeah, and I was like, whatever. But like, I wanted to be here for a rope drop to do the paint by the numbers, and it didn't start till 11 o'clock anyway.
But hey, we had to pay by the numbers.
So we rode Figment,
Figment,
Soarin',
Test
Nemo.
Track, Nemo.
Test Track. Well,
and
you rode
Frozen.
Test Track.
We have those 5 rides.
Frozen. No, I think we're on 7. Figment,
Nemo,
Soarin', Spaceship Earth,
Forget about Fish Bird.
Test Track,
Test Track.
Frozen.
That's 6.
That's 7.
Why are you only holding
Six.
a...
It's 6. That's about.
That's
That's like all the rides minus Mission Space.
Minus Mission
Are you gonna
Space.
do Mission Space or no?
Minus Mission Space.
Yeah, you're good.
Minus Ratatouille.
Oh yeah.
Minus...
Ratatouille would not recommend. I would recommend one time, and it's
Living
like.
with the Land.
Are we gonna do that?
The ride's awful, I'm sorry. It's terrible. It's not terrible, it's like... Meh.
We're gonna hang around. I have to get my microphone. So we're probably gonna see Voices of Liberty and then dip to get the microphone, and then come back and hang around the World Showcase, and then we'll go to a different park. Where do you want to go? Do you know? Now that the rain has stopped, where do you want to go?
I really don't know.
I will do what you want. So if you want, do you want to go to Hollywood Studios or no?
Not really.
So it's either Animal or Magic.
I'm done to go back there and
Or we
take
will come back here.
I'm done to go back there and take a nap.
We slept like 9 hours last night.
And?
I didn't come here to sleep.
Well, guess who did?
I didn't come here to sleep.
Me.
No. Look at this for Guardians of the Galaxy. Apparently it's scheduled to open this summer. The car that they have for like the vehicle, the ride vehicle,
Yeah.
apparently like spins like the entire time you're on the ride.
I know it launches you backwards.
Does it?
Yeah. Like you start facing one way and it shoots you back.
No,
Yeah.
that's cool, that's cool. We came back to Animal Kingdom to do nothing because I wanted to ride the safari and I was wrong and thought the last truck was 6:15. It's 5:15. So safari's closed. Night River Journey was down last time I checked. Having trilobites. What would you rate the trilobites?
7.
I would rate the trilobites. Well, trilobites is the name of the place.
Yeah, it's the buffalo chicken chips.
The buffalo chicken chips is what the snack is called. That's what it is. Why is it drizzling again? The weather this trip, unreal, in a bad way. And of course next week when we're not here, it's gonna be like high 70s.
It's beautiful weather.
Like beautiful, like typical Florida. So plan after trilobites. Ryan's gonna get on Dinosaur. Then we have Navi, and then we're leaving.
Tool that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
I walked the queue with Ryan for Dinosaur, and I'm not riding, so I'm waiting here at the exit for the ride by the gift shop. See, gift shop's right there. Waiting for him to come off. It's 6:21, so we're gonna ride Navi River Journey after this, and then we had plans to go back to Hollywood, but I don't know if we're going to, honestly. We'll probably just go back to the hotel and call it a night. Not too sure. But that's the plan right now, is to get on Navi River Journey, and then we'll see what happens. Also, for those who have never been on it, the Indiana Jones ride in Disneyland uses the same ride vehicle that Dinosaur uses, but the Indiana Jones ride is like 100 times better. So if you've never been to Disneyland and you are planning on going, just know that if you like Dinosaur, you're gonna love Indiana Jones because it's so much better. We're about to get on Navi River Journey, posted at a 20-minute wait. 20 minutes. 20 minutes where? 20 minutes where? The animatronic's not there. Just the projection.